Sloped front yard ideas on a budget. Are you looking to transform your sloped front yard into a stunning outdoor space while keeping costs in check? Look no further. In this article, we will provide you with professional advice and budget-friendly ideas to create a beautiful and functional landscape design for your sloped yard. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Embrace the slope. Instead of considering the slope as a challenge, use it as an opportunity to create a unique and eye-catching front yard. Incorporate terraced garden beds or retaining walls to not only add visual interest but also help with slope management. By working with the natural contours of your yard, you can create a dynamic and visually appealing landscape. Select low-maintenance plants. When choosing plants for your sloped front yard, opt for low-maintenance varieties that can thrive in different soil conditions. Consider perennials, ground covers, and native plants that require less water and upkeep. These choices not only reduce maintenance efforts but also help save money on water bills. Control erosion. Erosion can be a common issue in sloped yards. Prevent soil erosion by adding erosion control measures such as mulching, adding geotextile fabric, or incorporating retaining walls. These methods not only help stabilize the soil but also enhance the overall aesthetics of your front yard. Create outdoor living spaces. Maximize the functionality of your sloped front yard by creating outdoor living spaces. Install a patio or a deck at different levels to take advantage of the slope. This will provide you with areas for relaxation, entertainment, and dining, making your front yard an inviting extension of your home. Focus on lighting. Enhance the beauty of your sloped yard even after sunset by incorporating strategic lighting. Install path lights along the pathways and spotlights to highlight key focal points, such as trees or architectural elements. Proper lighting not only adds a touch of elegance but also improves safety and security. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. By implementing these professional tips and budget-friendly landscaping ideas, you can transform your sloped front yard into a visually stunning and functional outdoor space. Embrace the natural contours of your yard, control erosion, select low-maintenance plants, create outdoor living spaces, and focus on lighting to achieve a beautiful and inviting landscape that will impress your guests and enhance your home's curb appeal.